Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered what to do with those old kitchen items that are taking up space in your cabinets? Well, you are in luck because in this video we will show you some surprising ways to use old kitchen items in your garden. Not only will you save money by repurposing items you already have, but you will also be helping the environment by reducing waste. Let's get started. First up, we have containers that that you can easily transform old kitchen containers into beautiful planters. Whether it's a coffee tin or a mason jar, simply drill a few holes in the bottom for drain. Add some soil and your favorite plants, and voila, you have got yourself a unique planter that's perfect for herbs or small flowers. Next, let's talk about utensils. Instead of throwing away old spoons or forks, consider using them as garden markers. Simply write the name of the plant on the handle, stick it in the soil, and you will never forget what you planted. Plus, it adds a fun and whimsical touch to your garden. Lastly, we have furniture. If you have an old leather or a wooden plate lying around, consider repurposing it as a vertical garden. Simply attach some pots to the leather rungs or the plate boards, and you will have a unique and space-saving garden that's perfect for small spaces. Repurposing old kitchen items as a great way to add some characters to your garden while also reducing waste. Kitchen scraps such as fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells can be used to create nutrients rich compost for your garden. Thanks for watching.